Welcome to another episode of NCM, which is not car mods. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make the world's best barbecue sauce, and along for the ride, I've got one of my best mates, Nat from NATS WRX. How you doing, champion?
Yeah, good.
Awesome. Now, I know you're a big fan of the jar sauce.
Yeah, love it.
I've seen your millions and millions of views.
Yeah.
And I thought, who better today to help me make some hectic sauce than you?
Yeah, I'm here.
Why is the sauce so good? Active time, less than 5 minutes, and it's going to be better than any chat you can buy in the store. Have you made barbecue sauce before?
I have not. I'm here to learn.
These are the ingredients you're going to need. This is what you're going to need, people. I've made this very, very simple. 1 apple, 2 onions, 3 tomatoes, 4 plums, 5 hunks of garlic or more, according to your new cookbook that you can buy right now. And then over here, you're going to need a bunch of spices. I'm going to put a link up. Where are they?
Don't know.
You point there and I'll point there, and we work it
Okay.
out later. There are the ingredients. Are they this way? This way? They're right there. There are the ingredients. They're also down below. This is so easy. You can make this in a Fruit Ninja, which is like a feudal Japanese cutting device, probably made in China. All right. Over here, we've got our delicious spices. We're starting off.
Righto.
I need, please, the onion cut up, and I need the garlic cut up.
Yeah.
But we're going to be Fruit Ninjaing it.
Right.
So there's that.
So just need to
Just
peel it.
cut them in half, basically, and then chuck that. This needs a wash. I'll be back.
Okay, I'll do this. How you going? You all right? Good, thanks. What are you up to? Not much.
You got any tricks for decoring an apple?
I don't. I just cut around it usually.
All right.
I
Leave
cut-
the skin on though, people, because that's going to give you extra skin. Yeah. Yeah.
fibre.
Basically.
Stops you. It's good for your ass.
All right. That's done. That's done. That's done.
Almost went in the window.
There, 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 and there. In it goes. Can you get me 5 pieces of garlic, please?
Yes.
How do you do that? How do you get the skin off it quickly and easily without?
I smack the shit out of it usually.
With what? Do you want a hammer?
I will use a knife a lot of the time.
No, we use a fucking hammer.
Oh, use a hammer.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Don't
Maybe-
use the
maybe
hammer.
not.
Don't use the hammer. That doesn't work. Okay, that was a shit idea. Put that away.
Still got some.
There's a bit. There's a bit.
There's
There
a
we
bit
go.
there. There's a bit
another
over there. Maybe I
Look at
will
that.
try the. There we go. Just a little knock got us there in the end.
I wonder if I've got another knife you can use. Here we go. There's like a chef's knife looking thing.
Beauty.
Do you know, I only just learnt recently his that knife is called a Victor Inox. Blew my mind. It's Victor Inox. It's someone's name. I always called him like a Victorinox. But it's Mr.
No
Victor.
shit. Is that actually true?
Yeah, just like Dr. Zeus, the kids' book. His name's Dr. Zeus, not Dr. Zeus. Yeah.
Is that true?
Yeah, it's true. And I think about this stuff a lot. It blows my mind. We're done.
That's it.
Now, this here is just the kind of little Fruit Ninja thing that you'd normally make smoothies in. Now, we're just going to smash the pulse button on it a couple of times. No, we're not. Done. That's it. Nat, 3 tomatoes, 4 plums, please, mate.
Coming right up.
Now, these plums, I picked these yesterday. So rather than buying them from the shop, I've come down to an orchard where I am picking my own. Delicious. So you can grab yours from a supermarket, but if you can, go to an orchard and pick them yourself. Cut them down the middle, give them a twist, dump it
Do
all
you
in
care
there.
about the seeds?
Nope, do you?
Sometimes.
All right, you
Depends.
don't say. Yeah, okay. Oh, are the seeds sour, are they?
They're quite bitter.
I've never experienced a bitter tomato before. I didn't even know that was a thing. I'm being totally honest with you. Sorry, that landed on your foot.
Depends on the tomato.
It looks like they don't go in there, but
Yeah, we'll just watch this.
yeah, here we go.
How's me watching my language going? Not great.
All right, let's give that
Got
a
me
quick
cool.
little go. These things are really loud. I made one of these, which is a Ninja decibel unit, and you can. That's better.
That's a lot
Good
better.
talk.
I need one of those from head.
There you go. That is it. That is all the preparation done. Now all we're doing is throwing in the spices. I have no idea how to use that thing. Can you make that thing work?
Yeah, I reckon.
All right, so you're
How
getting
hot we
this.
want it? Pretty hot.
Yeah, so this is just going to bubble away now for about 30 minutes.
All right.
Now, look at that. I mean, that doesn't look great. Does smell excellent. Smells fresh.
Yeah, it smells
and it's
lovely.
about to be full of delicious spices. And what's amazing about this is how much the colour will change. It looks pink, but by the time it's finished, it's going to be a deep red. It's going to be freaking awesome. 1 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika. Dude, that is bubbling like crazy. It's going to...
Nice, isn't it? Whoop.
2 tablespoons
It's new.
of...
It's new.
What is that? Tomato
Tomato
paste. How do you pronounce this? This is 2 tablespoons of...
Worcestershire.
I call it Worcestershire.
It's Worcestershire, yeah.
Is it? Okay. 2 of those. In they go. 100 grams of brown sugar. 100 mils of apple cider. This is where you get that kind of delicious kind of tang. Oops. 1, 2, 3. That's about right. Now, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Now, I had a look online. Other people are making their barbecue sauce by just buying ketchup and then throwing vinegar and stuff. It's like, no. This is made from scratch-a-rooney. That is it. That is the recipe done.
Yeah.
So what you're going to do is you're going to put it on a reasonable heat that it can just bubble. Oh, sorry, 2 bay leaves. I don't know what they do, but every recipe that's meant to be delicious says throw 1 in. So in my recipe, there's 2.
That's sticking it to
I don't know what it does, but there's some anarchy for you.
Makes it look like you know what you're doing.
It does.
If nothing else.
And then drop in the bay leaves. That's it. Set a timer for 30 minutes and you are good to go. And I'm guaranteeing you that is the best barbecue sauce you've ever had. 30 minutes, come back, and we'll check in on it. All right, so it's been around about 30 minutes now. Not around about, it's been exactly 30 minutes. This is the trick to making this sauce freaking amazing. Take the lid off, let it cook for 10 more minutes, and then it's done. Hello, Martin. How you going, mate? We're just cooking this down. You ready to cook us up a sausage? We're ready for a sausage, man. This here is going to be ready in 6 minutes. So, Martin, get your Weber on.
How'd your footy team go, brother? Was it all right?
Yeah, I mean, it's all right.
Yeah?
It's all right.
How was your fishing trip the other day?
Yeah, it was all right.
Was it all right?
It's all right.
Yeah, how's your missus?
They're not good.
Nah. Did you put a cam in your V8?
Yeah.
We're going to turn this Weber after we've heated it up a bit. We're going to turn it right down to as low as it'll go. The whole thing with this is like keeping the heat in.
Yeah.
And the moisture in. Can't believe I'm talking to a guy who knows how to cook about this. But anyway,
No, I'm into it.
so what we're going to do, I've heated that up for about 5 minutes on high just to get it going.
Yeah.
But we're going to leave it. Every time you open it, you lose points.
Right.
Like the Yock barrel.
Yeah.
Martin, I'm standing here awkwardly so I can talk into your microphone. Do you know what the word barbecue means?
No. What does the word barbecue mean?
Thank you for asking.
It's like you were just waiting for someone to ask you.
Barb is French for beard. Q is French for hole.
Beard.
Beard hole.
Is that right?
That's actually true. Because they used to put an animal on it and they'd put a big thing straight through its mouth and out its butt and they would spit roast it in the middle. So barbecue means from beard to arse.
Right.
And the only other thing that I want to add,
Bit rough.
that is a barbecue. Yes. That is not barbecuing. That's a grill.
Well said.
That's a barbecue. Close the lid.
Yep.
Close. Don't stand
There you
there with
go.
it open. Close the lid.
You can.
No, you can't, because that's not barbecuing.
Your
It's
meat's
grilling.
gonna suck. That's all.
All right, we don't have enough mics. That's why I'm yelling. I'm out.
High production value.
All right, off we go.
All right, so the other thing we didn't mention before about when you're having a shit barbecue and a shit time talking about shit sport is that you are also putting sausages that were direct from the fridge and still ice cold, or worse, the freezer, onto your
that's a
grill and
problem.
wondering what's going on. So here we go. We've heated it up. Are we cooking all these? We going there?
Yeah, let's go there.
All right, we're going to throw them all on.
You're not
Now-
a fan of the dump?
The what?
Dump them on?
Oh, you can if you want.
I'm not a-
but I like
I'm
to
not a
use
dumper
I like
one.
to use the Weber's little grilly things, and I'm going to show you why soon when we go to flip them. I like to arrange them like that for even heat distribution. Now, you can put your sausages that way, but you're going to cause yourself problems later on. You shut that lid and you do not open that thing for at least 10 minutes, ideally 10 minutes, and if you want to be real fancy, set a timer for 10 minutes. You walk away. Don't touch my lid.
Do not prick the sausages.
Hey, it's
Don't
a
be a
fucking
prick.
Never. You do not do that. You don't prick the sausages.
You know what else you don't do? Mates don't let mates open other mates' barbecues. If you see someone coming for your Weber, hey, g'day, bud. What's going on in your bud?
Can I have a look?
No! Don't open it and at least 10 minutes on low for a snag about that big. That's it. See you in 8.5 minutes.
All right, our sauce has now been cooking along for 10 minutes without the lid on it. Marty's moved outside because the barbecue's smoking like a boss, and smoke is flavour. You want to keep the lid down. We're going to take the bay leaves out, which I don't know what they do anyway.
They're not doing anything.
You can just dump that
There
one
you go.
there.
That's why I'm here.
All right, now all of that.
Goes in here. How do you blend the hot shit in that? Doesn't shit itself?
I don't know, man.
I'm excited about this. I didn't know you could blend hot stuff in these.
No, well, yeah, you can.
Let's find
Yeah,
out.
let's go. Tip that in. Then we're going to give it 30 seconds. There's a smoke show going on out there, far out. All right, that'll just about do it. It's going to explode, isn't it? Absolutely never, ever, ever pass the maximum line.
This is gonna go.
And we're only doing it to show you why you shouldn't. Next up, 30 seconds, then your sauce is done. Yeah, there it is. That's right on 30 seconds. Look at the colour of it. Spicy, sweet, peppery, salty. I mean, get on that.
Yeah, that's not
Paprika-y.
Look at that! Look at that shit!
There we go. That's it. That there is my homemade, from scratch, barbecue sauce. It's smoky, it's oniony, it's garlicky, it's mapley. It's delicious.
If you don't like it, you can get...
There you go, mate. That's for you. Thanks for coming to visit.
Thank
and
you
we'll
very
have that
much.
on a sausage.
I'm very keen.
And then we can have a very, very honest appraisal of what you think of it.
Yeah.
Man, I've got a meat thermometer over here. 65, 71, 76 and
Cool.
79. As soon as they hit 80, I'm stoked.
Yep.
I'm done. All right, so there it is. That is my mad barbecue sauce. Your actual active time is probably only 2 to 3 minutes.
2 minutes.
The rest of the time it's in there. Why would you buy that when you can make this barbecue sauce, which shall now be known, Nat has named it the...
Beard to ass sauce.
That's right, the beard to ass sauce. And now,
Hopefully it has neither of that in it.
we now have Nat from Nat's What I Reckon. Make sure you check out his website, natswhatireckon.com. He's touring next year. He's got a book out. He's got a game out. Have a go
bring it out, bring it out.
and be honest. And then feel free to try the competitor sauce.
Yeah, it is like out the front of the
out the front of the
butcher.
supermarket. Yeah.
Yeah,
have a little taste. Get that right in there, man.
I don't know. Bring it back, I say. Look at this. I've got twirling technique. This is how you do it.
A bit nervous now.
No, it's unreal. That's beautiful. Yeah, it's unreal. That's it.
Thank you very much, everybody. This has been NCM, not Car Mods. If you are logged on expecting to see some car videos, too bad.
Suffering your jock.
But you can check out our other channel, Mighty Car Mods, where you can see that stuff. Nat, thank you very much for coming down.
Thank you for having me.
And I'm glad you like the sausage. Anyone want to try some of the...
Yeah.
Come on in. Oh, come on in. Get a stick. I can give you a piece of this stick. Here you go.
My stick.
Here you go. I don't know. This stick is currently unused. There you go. Get on the outside of that.
Yeah, that's a new stick. It's like a new stick.
I gave him an old one, but it's
Would
chopped in
anyone
half.
like a new stick?
There you go,
Would you
mate.
at home like a new stick?
There you go.
Stick
Excellent.
Stick at the shit sauce.
Nat, thank you very much for coming down. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Oh, by the way, it's either come out or it hasn't. We've done a video together.
Yes, we have.
It's actually a brand new show, isn't it?
Yeah.
And if it's come out already, watch it. And if it hasn't, then go watch it.
What's it called?
When it comes out.
It's called Taste Like Shit.
Yes, but we called it Chat's What I Reckon. And so you'll find that on Nat's Facebook page, which you can find at...
That's what I reckon.
Yeah, or on YouTube, demonetized and beep, also called...
That's what I reckon.
Awesome. All right, thanks everybody. See you next time.
All right.
And goodbye. I'm going to be teaching you how to make the world's best barbecue sauce, and along for the ride, I've got one of my best mates, Nat from That's What I Reckon.
How
you doing, champion?
Yeah, good.